The Black Country is the heart of the Industrial Revolution back in the day, and obviously we have lost thousands of manufacturing jobs over the last few decades, but manufacturing is still a huge part of our local economy and growing again, thankfully. We've got the likes of Jaguar Land Rover on the outskirts of Wolverhampton. We've got some other big businesses in aerospace who are taking on more workers. I'm thinking of UTC on the Stafford Road in my constituency. So manufacturing will always be an integral part of the local economy, and I hope it continues to thrive. It's a fantastic new investment in the constituency. We've got the UTC for local young people. We've got the Elite Centre for Manufacturing and Skills here, and then the university again is building a new facility for their School of Architecture and the Built Environment. So once that is in place, we've got these three big centres of excellence on one site at the heart of my constituency, even better, in Wolverhampton. But again, providing opportunities for people across the backcountry. I think the facilities are fantastic, but what's even more impressive is the partnership working that's going on between the trade associations, employers, and the university and the centre here. That's what's been so impressive about my visit here today.